Welcome to Learn Today with Abdullah sir. Let us study first chapter of Maths 6th Standard, Basic Concepts in Geometry. First chapter we have to study concepts in geometry. तो इसके अंदर बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट बेसिक सिखाया जाता है, जिसके अंदर लाइन, सेगमेंट, पॉइंट, रे. We have to know about the certain basics of geometry. So we have to study point, what is ray, what is line segment, what is line. ठीक है, तो पे concentrate. Number 1 we will study about point. Here you can see point P, point A, point T. So you can see the definition of point. A point is shown by a tiny dot. Here you can see a tiny dot, point P, point A, point T. A point can be given in a name, capital letter of the alphabet. जैसे तुम पॉइंट को नेमिंग दे सकते हो. पॉइंट के पास जैसे P, पॉइंट P हो गया, पॉइंट A हो गया, तो दिस वी कॉल्ड एज पॉइंट. So anything you put a point on your book and give it a name, so it will become point A, point B, point C. ठीक है. आफ्टर पॉइंट वी विल स्टडी अबाउट लाइन, सेगमेंट एंड लाइन. line, segment and line. Line segment means this is a line segment. Line segment AB means segment AB. It can be called as line segment. Here you can see this is a line segment. So you can take 2 point, take any 2 point, that is it may be जैसे point P and point Q, point P and point Q. By joining these 2 points, you will get the line segment. This is a line segment. So this is a line segment PQ. So PQ will be called as a line segment. Next, after line we will study about ray. This is our ray. Ray. From ray we will come to know that ray can be extended only from one side, which can be extended from only one side. Ray can be extended only from one side. It cannot be extended from here. So it is a ray. You can say this is ray PQ. You can write it ray PQ. Now you can see here also we have a ray. This is a ray. Now this is P and this is Q. So ray PQ. It can be extended from here only. इसको यहाँ से ही बढ़ा सकते हैं. ये साइड से इसको नहीं बढ़ाएंगे. ये है लाइन सेगमेंट और ये है रे. दिस इज रे. रे PQ. PQ. This is line segment PQ. Now we will draw only line. You can see if you have arrow on both the side, then it can be extended from both the side. This is called as line. So here you can name it A and B. So line AB. Okay. So these are 3 basics of geometry we are studying concepts. PQ, line segment PQ, then ray PQ. This is ray PQ. This is only line AB. If you are only taking A and B, it will become segment. So it will be called as line segment. Okay, next we will study about parallel lines and intersecting line. So these are parallel lines. Parallel lines are those which cannot be intersected. It cannot be intersected, as we can extend, but it will not intersect at any point. So these are called parallel lines. Parallel lines are those which cannot be intersected. They are not intersecting line. These lines means line L and line B. Line L and line B are parallel line. Line L and line P, you can take P also. The line L and line P are non-intersecting line. They will not intersect. They are called parallel line. You can write them with like line L is parallel to line P. Line L is parallel to line P. This is a symbol of parallel. You can write it like this. Line L is parallel to line P. Now after this, if this line are intersecting each other, they are non-parallel line. They are non-parallel line. Parallel line. They are non-parallel line or intersecting line. Intersecting line means line L and line M are intersecting at a point P. So these are intersecting line. So now we will start our first practice set. Take your textbook, page number 4. You can see here page number 4, practice set 1. And about this practice set 1, you have some little bit test is there. So here you can see this is intersecting line, means non-parallel lines, means intersecting line. Here you can see intersecting line. Here you have to write intersecting line. These are parallel lines. ये parallel lines है. ये आप देख सकते हैं, ये intersecting line है. These are intersecting line. Here if you will extend more, they will intersect each other. आगे हम इसको बढ़ाएंगे तो ये intersect हो जाएगा, तो इसको हम intersecting line लिखेंगे. ठीक है. After this, solve in your notebook also. This here you can see. Look the figure alongside and name the following. Here you have questions, that is collinear point, ray, line segment, line. Collinear point, you can see the explanation here. Collinear points are those points which are in a straight line. Point A, point B, point C. They are in a straight line. So these are collinear point. If we have point not in a straight line, A, B and C, so this point remain outside the line. So A and B are in the same line, but B is outside the line. So these are non-collinear point. This is collinear point. This is non-collinear point. So here we can take it collinear points. Collinear points means they should be in a same line. So you can see here MOT. You can write point M, O and T. Point M, O and T are collinear points. ठीक है, are collinear points. Point M, O, T are collinear points. Now second, you have to write ray. Which are the ray? Ray we have studied that it can be extended from one side. So you can see OP, ray OP. OP can be extended only from one side. ON, OT, OS, OR, OM. So you can write ray OM, ray OP, ray ON, ray OT like this. Next, line segment. You have to write line segment. Line segment means you have to write which segment. You can see here MO. MO is a line segment. OT is a line segment. Okay, MOT. Yeah, MT. MT will be the line segment. The MT is a line segment. Now you have to write only line. So here you can see line MT, line RN. These are line. Okay, so you have to write collinear point, ray, line segment, line. Now write the different name of the line. Here you can see line L. Line L is there. You have to write different name of this line. The different name will be, for example, you have to write it is line L first of all. Then line AD, line AC, line AD, AB. These are all line. You have to write the name of line. You can even write that line AB. Then you can write line BC. Then line CD. Write all the names of line over here. Next, here you can see match the pair is there, and you can see here arrow are on both the side, means this is a line. So you have to match this, the line. Second, here it is a line segment. You can see it is a line segment. Next, this is plane. So you can match here with a plane. And this is ray. So you have to match this everything. This is plane. Plane will be taken as parallel line. Those line which are parallel should be written in plane. We will continue our next lecture on a next video. Wait for next video. Thank you for watching. Take care.